Welcome back to another episode of Half Homemade. I'm David Venable, and we've got another smart snacking alternative for you today. I'm going to be making chocolate peanut butter keto balls. Now, keto is a big eating plan right now. It's high fat, high protein, and low carbohydrate. Well, in this case, all that is true, plus it's super high in flavor. Now, what we've already done is we've toasted off some slivered almonds. Now, I'm going to add those into a large mixing bowl. And then what we're gonna do is add some other great, crunchy, and delicious ingredients. Now, chia seeds are gonna go in. These are cocoa nibs, very rich, deep cocoa flavor. Some dark chocolate chips. There's also some coconut, a little sea salt, and finally some pumpkin seeds. This is gonna be crunchy, chewy, delightful. So go ahead and give this a nice stir. This is going to be the base of our chocolate peanut butter keto balls. But now we need something that's going to help bind all that together. So what we're going to do is take some creamy peanut butter and add some agave nectar. Agave nectar is thick like a syrup, but super, super sweet. So here we're going to add in a little bit more of that sweetness to the fat, because remember, keto is high fat, high protein, low carbohydrate. Now we're going to give this a little stir just to incorporate it, and then to loosen it up really nicely, I'm going to pop it in the microwave just for about 20 seconds. Alrighty. Now the peanut butter has begun to soften and mix together with that lovely agave. It smells great. Is there anything nicer than peanut butter? And then when you sweeten it up with a little agave nectar, even better. All right, now this is gonna go into our dry mixture. I like using a silicone tool for this because you can kind of squeegee it right out of the bowl. Perfect. Now we're gonna give this a nice mix. What you're hoping to do here is just moisten all of those dry ingredients because they're already stirred together, and moisten it with that peanut butter and agave mixture. Get that back inside, perfect. Now, this is coconut oil. I suggest using this because it helps to grease your hands just a little bit. It also adds a little extra cocoa flavor back into what you're doing. So just take a little bit of this and warm it between your hands. What this is gonna do is keep your hands nice and slick so that the dough doesn't stick to them when you're forming the balls. Now, get yourself a medium-sized scoop. Go in and get yourself a good, healthy amount of the mixture and just roll it into a ball. These are quick and they're easy. They're also not going to stick to your fingers thanks to that coconut oil. Get these onto a sheet pan lined in parchment paper. And once we get the entire tray covered, then we'll pop them into the freezer so they'll firm up.